It's Alex from Laughing Place, and today we have an unboxing of the 2025 D23 Gold Membership Kit. This is the Gold Member Choice Plan. It's the one that comes with all of the gifts, whereas the typical membership lets you pick one of four. So we've got to look at all four of the options. If you're going for the standard level membership, this is the Gold Member Choice Plan. So it all comes in a fairly nondescript box. Nobody's going to know that this is your membership kit when it's waiting on your porch. And inside there is not another box. It is just all the stuff. It is wrapped up in a tissue paper with a D23 membership seal. This is the member kit. And inside the membership kit, you get your D23 member card, a coupon book of savings. There is a magnet featuring Goofy and Max. You get a stitch pin and a Lorcana card. It is a D23 branded Iago variant. You get a welcome letter with more information, and then your membership certificate. The coupon book is full of offers that include other Disney memberships, like a subscription to National Geographic and Marvel Unlimited, and even the Disney Vacation Club. There are also coupons for places at Downtown Disney at Disneyland or Disney Springs at Walt Disney World, and hotel offers as well at both of those properties. So you can definitely save some money on your next Disney vacation by being a D23 Gold member. I'm not sure what's in here. I have a feeling it's going to be the Here You Live Today plaque. And I was right about that. So it's a plaque that you see on the way into Disneyland. This is a reproduction of that. It feels like it's made of resin, and that does come with a nice cardboard way to keep it safe. It does have a hook on the back so you can hang that up. And that is beautiful. I was very excited for this. The plaque comes with the book, so it's a twofer. You don't have to pick just the plaque. Here is the backpack for the fan pack. As you can see, it's got really nice colors. It is a one shoulder strap bag, ideal for a park visit. And this was supposed to come with other goodies, which I'm guessing are housed inside. Here is the hat that comes with that fan pack. It's actually made of like a nice denim. It's actually a higher quality than I expected it to be. Has that same red Sorcerer Mickey that's on there. And this should be the tumbler. Yes, there is that water bottle. It has a smaller cap for you to open and drink out of, or you can do the larger cap to refill. As for the bag itself, it opens part way. It's got a nice kind of dark orange interior, does have a mesh pouch on the inside and a compartment here that looks like it could be big enough for maybe like a tablet, an iPad, or something like that. The front pouch opens in a similar way, and that has lots of smaller zippered compartments, plus a hook for a keychain, so you can keep kind of everything that would go in your pockets in this handy one-strap bag. Here is the Spirit jersey, and you get to pick your size for the Spirit jersey. The front has a golden D23 logo. That's obviously very big on the back, and then it is finished with that same red Sorcerer Mickey logo. This is probably the tin of pins. And correct. So this one, it's a pin set. You get that stitch pin. Everyone gets the stitch pin, but the rest of these pins are exclusive to this set. And they are quite beautiful. All of the characters have a nice matte finish, and so the glossy elements are their background. All of the exposed metal parts have a golden sheen to them, and that large D23 pin is really beautiful as well. Last but not least, this is the thing I was the most excited about. It's Don Hahn's new book about Disneyland, just in time for the park's 70th anniversary. It's called The Happiest Place on Earth. This book will be available to the public through other retailers, but this is an exclusive D23 version. Again, it comes with that plaque. It also comes with a copy of the rough draft for that plaque. So all of the planning that went into that one little sign that has become so iconic at Disneyland all started with a piece of paper just like this. I have quite a few books about Disneyland, including the excellent Taschen book. What sets this book by Don Hahn and Chris Merritt apart is that this one is really focused on on celebrating what the park was when it opened and during Walt's lifetime. So it's everything that was there, the lands that were there as part of Walt's lifetime, everything that was built or planned for the park that maybe never even got off the ground from that time frame. So this is very much a look back. I'm guessing most of us were not there during Walt's lifetime, and so lots of never before seen artwork and photos from the Walt Disney Archives about the first decade-ish of the park's history. So I'm very much looking forward to reading this. There you have it, all 4 2025 gold membership optional gifts. Again, you get your choice of one of these. You can do the book with plaque and concept art. You can do the pin set. You can do the backpack, hat, and thermos, or you can do the spirit jersey, all with your standard gold membership. Or if you really want all of them, you can get all 4 as part of the gold complete plan. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.